Ration cold weather 6A oatmeal, 6B spaghetti with meat and sauce. 6A oatmeal. Let's see what we got. Soup, apple cider, nut and raisin mix, Ration cold weather, cocoa, hot beverage, blueberry bars. These are probably fake Newtons that have gone really rancid. Crackers, more hot cocoa. Got our spoon, accessory packet, and our oatmeal. Today we've got maple and brown sugar, my favorite. We got like a chunk in there. Let's add our piping hot water. See what's in the accessory packet. Got our taster's choice. I'm sure that's gone rancid. One Tootsie Roll, non-dairy creamer, our matches, chiclets that have like gone tan, Domino sugar, toilet paper, another Tootsie Roll, and more of these like glow in the dark little ties. Right? And just like, they're cool, but I don't know what to use these for. Blueberry bars. Oh, good Lord. It smells like blueberry with a hint of sour. Just like some oil on it. I taste the fig Newton. These surprisingly don't taste that bad. But it looks kind of dangerous, so I'm not going to eat the rest of this. Nut raisin mix. Seems like it's all right. But the size of these peanuts has me like really concerned. Like, why are these peanuts so small? Nearly never seen peanuts so small before. Does this mean peanuts used to be this small and now they're like genetically engineered to be larger? I don't know. Back to that oatmeal. So I put too much water in it. It's kind of runny. And I went back and looked at the instructions. It says 8 ounces, 1/3 a canteen cup. So it tells you, how to measure it in the field. And I'm like 8 ounces. Like, I don't know, pour 8 ounces in there. No, but like you'd be able to tell like 1/3 of a canteen cup. So I'm just like, I put it in like half of a canteen cup. So now my oatmeal is kind of watery. But we can give it a try. generally try not to make more dirty dishes in the field. Ooh, that's the brown sugar and maple. I'll need to break this up a little bit. More like porridge now. That's pretty good. It's made like 1994, 1992, 1991. Still good. I mean, like the brown cinnamon, maple, kind of like bunched up. Just look like some chunks. This oatmeal's still good. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Apple cider. So it's kind of soft and powdery here. Kind of crystallized there. So I can already tell this is bad. Smells like vinegar with some apple cider mixed in. So again, when you see like the powder and the crystals like that, that has gone rancid. I wonder if one of these days I could like filter out all the chunky parts and then just have like the powder, or like mix the powder, and if that would be good. Experiment for a different day. Anyhow, I've got the soup and crackers, and I'll be saving this probably for lunch. So that was Ration Cold Weather 6A oatmeal. Ration Cold Weather 6B spaghetti with meat and sauce. All right, let's see what we got in here. And I can already tell it's been compromised. Probably got some tiny holes somewhere where the bugs are able to get in and get the M&Ms again. Oatmeal cookie, chocolate covered. Oatmeal cookie bar. Iced tea drink mix. Just covered in M&M powder. Spaghetti with meat and sauce. You can see some of the candy coating off the M&Ms there. There's the M&Ms. They are just disintegrated. That's what, maybe like I didn't even get bugs in here. Maybe it's just like they disintegrated into cocoa powder. Still tastes good. Tastes like M&Ms with like a little bit of chalk. Like licking a chalkboard. MRE spoon. Beverage base powder, orange, 4 to 5. You can already feel some crystals in there. It's gone bad. Another iced tea. And we got our granola bars. And then a whole bunch of M&M powder. Let's actually read the instructions this time. So that says 1/2 canteen cup, 12 ounces. So maybe that's why I mixed up on the oatmeal and I used too much water. So 8 ounces for the oatmeal, 12 ounces for the main. So let's go ahead and fill up 1/2 canteen cup. That smells like apple cider vinegar with a hint of orange, like artificial orange, like Tang. It's gone bad. What about the iced tea drink mix? Is that going to be okay? It's got plastic and metal, so that plastic like extra stretchy. Surprisingly, it looks okay. It smells okay. I've got a Starbucks cup here for demonstration purposes, so let's try this out. Takes 8 ounces. All right. Let's stir this up, see what we get. This water is cold, so it's not gonna dissolve as promptly as it should. Got some sugar in there still. It's actually good. Iced tea with a hint of artificial lemon kind of flavor. Spaghetti with meat and sauce. Let's see how this did. Yeah, this container is probably done for again. Looks like a good ratio of meat and sauce there to the noodles. It's like inside of metal, inside of a bag, inside of a bag. You know what? I'm just going to dump this right here. Kind of an ordeal. And then I'm going to put our hot water in here. So I'd heat it up a little bit more than half a canteen cup. So we're just to be cautious not to put all of the hot water in here. It's always easier to put a little bit more hot water in later. You can't take the water out after you put it in. So for the instruction, we're going to let this sit for a minute, then stir it up, and then let it sit, and then be done. The granola bars. You think these are good? It smells like granola, with that ever faint hint of sour. I think these are good. It says 92.31, so I think that's January 31st, 1992. And they're still good. They're clearly on the edge of like they're about to go bad. That's like twice as thick as like a regular granola bar. It's like 3/4 inch thick by 1 inch, and like 3.5 long. That's about the oatmeal cookie bar. There's 2 of these in the package. Smells alright. As far as calling this a cookie, it's a bit of a stretch. It tastes like the granola bar, but a lot finer, more powdery, more cake-like, a lot sweeter. But if you called this a granola bar, like, I wouldn't disagree with you. Stir this up a little bit more. It smells like Chef Boyardee. Probably gotta let this sit another minute or 5. Oatmeal cookie, chocolate covered. So this would be the dessert, but it's taken so long to cook the main meal. This would have been like a nice 80s or 90s kind of dessert in your lunch. Remarkably, it's probably not spoiled. This might be the first Ration cold weather I've had where like a significant number of stuff's like not spoiled in it, because like the granola's good, the cookie's good. It's just like the heavy sugar stuff, like the beverage-based powders, have gone bad. I'll probably eat everything in here and probably use lemon iced tea. You can. And then the hot cocoa is probably still good. Other than like it's got exposed to too much heat and the chocolate's like melted to the wrapper, like this is alright. Alright, spaghetti with meat and sauce. So spaghetti are like short little cut noodles, and this is heavy on the sauce. So I like that. A lot of MREs now, like they're heavy on the noodles, a little bit of meat, like almost no sauce. There's a little bit of crunch to the noodle. Probably could use like a little bit more water and let it sit a little bit longer, but the sauce tastes pretty good. The little bits of meat are pretty good. It tastes just like a canned spaghetti, Chef Boyardee. Maybe even like a little bit better quality. But you can tell there's like that little bit like, yeah, this was freeze-dried food. That's pretty good. Pretty awesome to get like a hearty, warm meal in the middle of nowhere.